उतरने वाली हूँ. इसमें हंसना था, ठीक है, no problem. So, hello once again everyone. So the topic for this panel is cracking the code to new age consumers. This topic is majorly for, you know, how the consumers has become very aware about each and every product, how the consumers are actually hitting and trying each and everything before purchasing anything or before going on with any services. So we have today, do we have anyone else heading up on this? Okay, sorry. Yeah, so today we have, first of all, Ashmeet Kaur Tudeja. She is from Indos Global. She is running a sustainable home decor products. And then we have Anjali Jain. She is CA and YouTuber, along with she is a singer. Then we have Dr. Julie Doshi. She is owner of Shesh Wellness Center. Then we have Pooja Shukla. She is the owner of Purple Media. She is a marketer. And then we have Dr. Neha Wadhwa, who is a diet consultant. And then we have Geetu Makkar. She is a counselor. Along with that, she is the owner of Self Elevate. So can we have a big round of applause once again for all of them? Amazing. So let's initiate this entire topic by understanding the factor like how हम इतने from a lot many time we are doing business. It was very easy in the earlier time to crack any client, But in this time, during the time where, everyone is self-aware, how we all are figuring it out to actually, first of all, create an impact on Gen Z consumers. Because all the consumers these days are Gen Zs, millennials, अब बूढ़े हो चुके हैं, they are not purchasing so many things. No, we are not that much booढ़े. All of us, I guess, millennials only, except you. So yeah, I would like to understand, first from Geetu Makkar, you only, that how you are cracking the code for Gen Z consumers.
Thank you for the beautiful question, Priya. Gen Z, Gen X, Y2K, all these are just terms. What I would say, while I was growing up or while you were growing up, every year, every month, we have to change. I would say embrace the change. Just change the way you are contacting anyone. So to answer your question, how can we better handle today's generation? Just be yourself and keep moving every moment. Address that particular transaction, that particular person as something fresh and new. That's what you can add. Last but not the least, it's all about the way you are approaching that particular client and add your Midas touch to it.
That's nice. That's amazing. So we have also seen the trend of getting thinner and thinner and showing off your bellies in the reels and these shorts. So there is an agenda where each and everyone is getting so much conscious about their bodies and everyone is getting conscious about how they look and everything. So we have a diet consultant here. How do you crack these Gen Zs to be positive about their bodies?
See, one of the most important thing here is Gen Z are very curious kind of species, we must say. They're extremely curious, wanting to know everything, exploring everything. So if we actually make them understand the basics of being fit and healthy. Being fit and healthy doesn't mean you have to be very lean, very skinny, you have to fit in size 0 or something. Being healthy and fit is simply being able to perform your day-to-day tasks. You are not going to be a model or an actor or something like that. Not everybody is. So it's just they need to understand you don't have to be on stage all the time. You have different areas where you have an expertise. So focus on to that. And apart from that, Gen Zs are very conscious about body shaming and everything. So they know where they stand. They are no more concerned about this body shaming and we are not skinny and we look fat or ugly or something like that. They are just bold and confident to go ahead.
That's amazing to know that all the Gen Zs are very self-aware about their bodies. So now, as a marketer, I think most of the clients you all have are the older generation clients, like who have actually built a really good business, and now cracking them is a big of a task because see, these new age consumers do understand the world of digital marketing and everything. How do you manage these older generation understand the fact that the digital marketing is as important as the offline marketing too?
First of all, I want to tell that everybody is knowing about digital marketing now. Everybody, because you keep on scrolling Insta, you keep on scrolling Facebook, you see the ads, so everybody is knowing what it is. And yes, convincing them is a bit hard, but then at the end, it is not that hard. You have to make them understand that it's, see, older generation wants result. उनको ये है कि आप मुझे result लाके दो. And if there's no result, we'll not continue. So it's just that कि आप result दो, they'll continue. आप result नहीं दोगे, they'll
The
not
work should be result oriented. That's it. That's the code for cracking these.
हाँ, the basic thing is they don't know the difference between marketing and sales.
Yeah.
That is the most hardest part. So उसमें थोड़ा सा we have to struggle. Rest, it's not that.
Amazing. So, as Julie, you are a physiotherapist, right? So, how, like, we have seen all the, actually, both the generations, they are working on their laptops, they are working on, 9 to 5 and not having enough nutrition in their life and, getting those diseases which were not even there in the understanding of people. How do you manage to make these people understand that you don't have to do these certain things, like how you don't have to sit like that, how you are managing these people understand the scenarios of these?
So Priya, first of all, I would say that Gen Zs are, I think, very informed and proactive generation. As a variety of patients I have, I think to manage Gen Zs, it's a comparatively little comfortable and easier for me to explain them rather to explain aunties. Don't exploit your bodies, you know.
Of course.
Yeah. So Gen Z, I would say it's a very well informed and proactive generation. With that, yes, they are killing their bodies, they are killing their muscles, sitting all the time, and not just for work का तो explanation हम फिर भी निकाल सकते हैं, but they are exploiting their bodies when in their this leisure times, sitting a lot on the sofa, and but because बहुत जल्दी pain इनकी body में आ जा रहा है at very young age, so they are very well aware also, and explaining them is very much easier. I think this generation likes authenticity. When we share our real-time stories and when we share our real-time patients getting better, I think it's very easier for them to trust us. Yes, I think I would say to answer this question, it's a little, I'll be a little biased for the Gen Zs. It's much more better experience, much more comfortable, much more easier to treat them rather than the older people.
Understood. So, you are into YouTube and you are a CA. How you managed both these things together? I would like to understand that. Along with that, how you are getting the subscribers? Like, what sort of subscriber base you have? Like, हम ratios तो देखते हैं. Which age people do you have, and how do you have managed these people more with you?
Thank you for your question. Yes, I'm a chartered accountant and I shifted my career to music because I am also a bachelor's in classical music. So I had, like, since the start, I had both the options together. I had to pick one. Firstly, I picked chartered accountancy, and then I realized that I am not made for this cubicle job and I have to get out of here. I want this to be passive but not direct. And then I decided to open a music academy, started from there. I am singing since I was 5 years old, maybe around, 4 or 5 years old. I was on stage. So stage fear was never an issue. And I have given programs, like various programs before my marriage. Now I'm a mom also. I am a mom to 3-year-old. And धीरे-धीरे eventually समझ आया कि this is the kick. So basically फिर YouTube start हुआ. It was a journey, like it's a 10-year-old journey. Success अब आ रही है, but मेहनत 10 साल की है. और coming to the subscribers you were asking about, subscribers mixed हैं obviously, but what I feel is like this Gen Z generation which we are talking about, it is digitally native. I feel ये लोग यहीं पे ही खाते हैं, सोते हैं, उठते हैं, बैठते हैं, बोलते हैं, ये एक्सप्रेस भी यहीं करते हैं, ये ग्रास भी यहीं से करते हैं. तो बेसिकली इट्स वेरी वेरी ईजी. बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंसी है. अगर आप कुछ अच्छा दोगे तो वो तुरंत ले लेंगे, अगर आप कुछ बेकार दोगे तो वो तुरंत आपको साइड कर देंगे. फियर तो है ऑब्वियसली. कंटेंट क्रिएशन, हम जिस फील्ड में हैं, कंटेंट क्रिएशन इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट दीज डेज. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एंजाइटी होती है कि आप एक्सेप्ट, सारी जनरेशन उसको एक्सेप्ट करेंगे कि नहीं. आई एम इनटू डिवोशनल म्यूजिक, आई एम मोर इनटू डिवोशनल म्यूजिक, बट आई एम शॉक्ड टू सी कि Gen Z, millennials, everyone, they all are accepting it so well because हम ऐसा content create करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जो उनके लिए भी acceptable हो. not just classical music, not just those old ways. हम हर तरह का content create कर रहे हैं और वो हर तरह का content उतने ही अच्छे से accept भी कर रहे हैं because they are adapted to changes also. बहुत ज़्यादा easy adaptation है उनके अंदर हर चीज़ को लेकर और they are open to everything that is good, that sounds good, that looks good and that's how it goes, I feel.
As we already mentioned in our previous panel that old age is coming back, old time is coming
Yes,
back.
that's
So yeah,
very
people
true, yes.
are getting attracted towards classical music.
They are getting more spiritual as well. Like
Yeah.
earlier, I think the mid-age, they were like feeling like इतना कुछ नहीं करना है हमको धर्म और जो भी चीज़ें हैं. But अभी की generation, they are going to the मंदिर, they are going to do like they are accepting everything. वो उनको बस logic चाहिए. That is the main thing. उनको लॉजिक चाहिए कि हमको ये क्यों करना है. राइट नाउ देयर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हमारे पीस के लिए ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, हमारे एंजाइटी को कम करने के लिए, हमारे डिप्रेशन को कम करने के लिए, हमारी वर्किंग लाइफस्टाइल को बैलेंस करने के लिए ये ज़रूरी है एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे आर डूइंग इट.
Of course. So you have something to add on to that? Please go ahead.
Thank you so much. First of all, it's very impressive with CA doing music. And I guess you've already cracked the code.
Yes.
You've already cracked the code. So I'd just like to add here because I'm a gifted healer and I'm an NLP coach as well by profession. So, adding to what you said, I'll pick up from there. AI has played a very, very, very important role in what we see in the Insta world. So every reel, every message that we see on Insta, for example, she said, people are enrolling in various self-awareness workshops. Nobody speaks to us over a call or something. We just see that ad. So that marketing is done so nicely. The words that are used are so appropriate that we just click, and there we are in a seminar or a webinar, or we visit the doctor, or we visit the brand expert, or we visit the health coach, or people come to me for life coaching or corporate trainings. Why? We are not marketing it by the old ways. For Gen Z, the code is market it the way they like it. Be on Insta, be on LinkedIn, and just crack the code. Thank you.
Of course, amazing. So would you like to add up something?
Yeah, I just wanted to since this is a women entrepreneurs meet, I would like to sing, because I'm a singer, I would like to sing a few lines of my recent song जो काफ़ी अच्छा हिट हुआ, मतलब by God's grace, it's doing really well. तो उसकी 4 लाइनें मैं आप सबको, यहाँ जितनी लेडीज़ हैं उन सबको मैं डेडिकेट करते हुए गाना चाहूँगी. है फूलों से कोमल वो, आंसू जैसे मोती हो, पापा की है शहजादी, मम्मी की परछाई वो, लक्ष्मी घर की कहलाती, रक्षा उसकी की जाती, पर जब अपनी पे आए वो दुर्गा भी बन जाती. जिस घर में बेटी हो ईश्वर करता है कृपा, करती राज हमारे दिल पे ये सारी बेटियां, करती राज हमारे दिल पे ये सारी बेटियां.
Amazing. So now that was a really melodious song. I would love to hear. Can you please send the link to it?
Of course, it's everywhere. Like you can search on YouTube.
So now let's move ahead. And Ashmeet is actually working on sustainable home decor products. She has many bamboo products in her gallery. I request you all to visit it. So Ashmeet, how? Of course you are a Gen Z. You know all the trends what are going on around. So how you are managing these new generation to follow the sustainability situation?
So basically, sustainability, as people think, it's not trend; it's the need of the hour, and you can see like what's happening around us. Like it's getting hot every day, and we are not able to come out and as you can say Gen Z, they are becoming more aware of the climate change, what is happening. And you can say businesses also, they are changing their practices also day by day. They are promoting more sustainable practices in their businesses, as you can see, solar power and all, and cycling. People are promoting sustainability in different ways, their own whatever they understand in that. And as far as my business, so I generally promote in simple way. Like we provide like alternative option, like to plastic.
Yeah, we have someone from the same background too. There was this person, Monica Surana. She is also into the same situation what we are doing. Yeah, no plastic India. So yeah, as we understood from the entire scenario, the entire talk is cracking the code to new age consumer is easier than cracking the code to old age consumers. So I'd like to have a sum up situation from you all to go ahead with and end up the panel. So can we start with Neetu, ma'am? Yeah.
So, as I said, I'll summarize it with be you, be yourself, and be present with the present generation. Be the gift that you can be for the people who are taking India to the next level.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I just want to say one more thing here. अपने आप में वो चेंज रोज लाओ जो आप सामने भले में देखना चाहते हो.
Great.
Thank you.
Great. Yeah.
I'd say, irrespective of generations, I have seen millennials, I've seen Gen X, I've seen Gen Z. So irrespective of all these generations, I am seeing the changes coming up that people are accepting that nature is the best thing to go for. So the cracking of the code is again the similar thing that they are now understanding that what was there in the ancient time, because as you said that Gen Z need logics behind everything, and once you give them logic, they will blindly follow it. They just need a logic. You need to convince them with logics, not just with the belief system that this exists. So once you do that, they will absolutely listen, and there is no difference between the old age and the generation now. Everybody needs a logic. All you need is to upgrade yourself and make them understand in the way they want to understand.
Yeah, upskilling is the thing. Yeah.
I would sum it up by saying go with the flow.
Great. Great.
That's the only thing I would like to say.
So for me, authenticity is the keyword. Gen Z's, what she said, logic. I think transparency and with logic, and if you're authentic, not just Gen Z or the older generations also follow. Reels and social media are the new trend for advertising and marketing, but I think before this, word of mouth marketing, that with that and this social media thing, everything just comes around authenticity. And if we are authentic, our services are authentic, 100% all the generations, including Gen Zs, will follow. Thank you.
Nice. Yeah.
The topic we are discussing over here is cracking Gen Z. So cracking Gen Z is easy, just that you have to go digital, you have to get on board. भाई वो लोग आपको सिर्फ ऑनलाइन ही देखते हैं, तो बेसिकली अगर आप ऑनलाइन नहीं दिख रहे हो तो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू ग्रो. तो आपको डिजिटली एक्टिव होना ही पड़ेगा. देयर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन राइट नाउ टू क्रैक जेन जी. तो जेन जी चाहिए तो फिर आपको ऑनलाइन
होने के लिए संपर्क करें पर्पल मीडिया.
So I would conclude with the point that I totally agree with you that authenticity is the key and transparent, because to build brand loyalty and the good reputation of the business, authenticity and transparency is the need.
But you have to showcase it in a better way digital. You are authentic,
and
you are good, your work is good, your product is good, but जब तक आप उसको proper तरीके से Gen Z के सामने digitally नहीं रखेंगे, it is not going to.
Clarity, creativity, communication, all of these factors should be there if you want to crack the code to Generation Z and Generation Alpha, I say. Yeah, thank you so much everyone for the wonderful, insightful session.
Thank you for calling us.
Yeah, thank you. Can we have a picture, please?
Yes, everyone, little bit, listen. Yes, smile. Yes, look here, everyone look here, smile.